Welcome to Home of Math. Here is x plus 3 divide x square minus 4x minus 21 minus x divide x square plus x minus 42. Our target to make it a single denominator. Let's start. So first this one x plus 3. And here is x square minus 4x minus 21. This one we will convert, or we will factorize this one. So 21, if we factorize by 3, so it will become 7, and 7 minus 3 means 4. So we can write x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21, right? Then here is minus x, and also here is x square plus x minus 42. So 42 if we divide by 3, so here is 14. Then if we divide this one by 2, it will become 7. Look, 7 times 6, it means 42. 7 minus 6 is x, or 1. So we can write this one x square plus 7x minus 6x minus 42. Okay, very simple. Now look, here is x plus 3, we can take common x, so here is x minus 7 plus, if we take common 3, so again x minus 7 minus, here is x. Then if we take common x, so here is x plus 7. If we take common minus 6, again it will become x plus 7. Then look, here is x plus 3, divide x minus 7 times x plus 3, here is minus, again x plus 7 times x minus 6, right? Then it's looking, factorization is complete. Now we will start to make a single denominator. So here is, we will make LCM. LCM is x plus 3, then x minus 6 and x minus 7. Why? Because LCM is, here is common things is what? Nothing. Here is x minus 7 and here is x plus 7. So we also again add x plus 7, right? Because here is x plus 7. So here we put common, uncommon, everything. So here is x minus 7, x plus 7, x minus 7 and x plus 3. So we cannot use this one, so you use x plus 3, then x minus 6, then x plus 7. And here minus x, so we will not use x plus 7 and x minus 6. So here is x plus 3 and x minus 7, right? Now look, long multiplication, so we have to keep concentration. Therefore here is x plus 3, we can keep, and here is x square plus 7x minus 6x minus 42, right? Then here is one more thing we can do. If we take common, oh, okay, no problem. Here is, look, x plus 3, and here is x square minus 7x, right? And here is, look, x plus 3, x minus 6, x minus 7 and x plus 7. Hope till you understand everything. Now look, if we take common x plus 3, x plus 3, so here is, we can write x square, then here is plus 7x minus 6x, it means plus x, minus 42, then here we take common already x plus 3, so here is minus x square, and then minus and minus plus 7x, right? And in below x plus 3, x minus 6, x minus 7, then x plus 7. Look, this x plus 3, this x plus 3 we can out, and here is x square and minus x square we can out. So here is 8x minus 42 and x minus 6, x minus 7 and x plus 7. Hope you clear this one. Now we can more factorize this one. How? Look, here is 8x minus 42, we can take common 2, so here is 4x minus 21, and in below it means denominator, here is x minus 6 times x minus 7 times x plus 7, right? So this is our answer. It's looking a little more bigger, but it's very important. Once you more practice at home, you can make answer very easily. Thank you very much for being with me.